Hi everyone, Adams here.
As a car smashed through a bus shelter and into the water. Quick-thinking bystanders rushed to help the woman escape the submerged car, pulling her to safety before the vehicle was later recovered from the harbour. Police confirmed the 73-year-old driver was under the influence of alcohol at the time and were considering further charges over the incident.
This Lotta takes heavy hits during a stunt session, but the driver walked away safe. Always wear your harness when pushing limits. White minibus and van drop off the overpass, both declared total loss, but everyone walked away safe. As an analyst, the lesson is clear: respect the guardrails. This wall buries 7 cars. According to local reports, property damage in cars sums up to $150,000, all gone in seconds. This is a reminder to never park under unstable ground or walls. White minibus tips over in heavy snow. A sedan loses control and makes contact with it, and the medical team responded to check on 2 people. As an analyst, the lesson is clear: slow down on ice. Your tires can't grip what they can't see. A truck loses control and hits this parked Hilux. Damages hit over $80,000 plus truck repairs, but the owner had just walked into a shop, so everyone is safe. Always check your surroundings before stepping out. Mixer truck loses control and drops onto a tanker below. Losses sum up to $100,000, and rescue crews responded on scene. As an analyst, the lesson is clear: respect the curve. A heavy load will push you right through the guardrail.
crashed! He crashed! You got that on camera? Yeah. Oh my fucking God!
White car loses control and strikes a 41-year-old pedestrian. Locals and the medical team responded to treat her. As an analyst, the lesson is clear. Always watch the edge of the road. A split second of loss of control puts others in danger.
タイ中部の町、道路の前で座り込む女性に思わぬ事態が。一台の車が
Two Xi'an semi-trucks collide on an icy highway after one slides into the opposite lane. Losses sum up to $200,000, and rescue crews responded to the scene. Never trust black ice. When a heavy rig loses traction, physics takes over and you just can't steer your way out of it.
Блядь! Блин, сейчас идет так. Твою мать. Дебил, блядь.
Driver attempts to cross rising floodwaters. The current takes over and floats the car away, but the driver made it out safe. As an analyst, the lesson is clear. Never gamble with moving water. If the road is flooded, just turn around. This Benz truck rolls away and hits parked truck. After brake likely failed or parked on neutral, but everyone walked away safe. Always set your parking brake on slopes. A heavy truck won't stop itself.
Фиксированная камера. Лимит скорости.
What would you have done differently? Share below. Click next video, then subscribe so you never miss a shocking crashes lesson.